Okay, we have a Hurco vertical machining center model WINMAX 50i-50T. Machine serial number is M553-16808043EUAS. Machine was new in 2016. Nice and clean. We're going to run it for you. Right now we are running at 1500 RPM. It's a 50 taper spindle, as I said before. Goes up to 8,000 RPM. That's 3,000. Going up. Machine has 50 inches of X travel, 26 of Y, and 24 of Z. That's 6,000 RPM. It has a 30 capacity automatic tool changer side mount. You have a 26 by 59 inch table. He's moving the X. Your Y. And the Z. All axes are quiet. Way covers all axes. It's original paint. Inside, outside. We are going to simulate a tool change. Okay, so you've seen it moving all axes, you saw the spindle run, and you saw the simulated tool change. Thanks again for watching the video.